How to remove YouTube account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pen, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your YouTube account from your device. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now unfortunately YouTube doesn't give you to log out or remove an account essentially, right? What you'll have to do is you'll have to simply go ahead and remove your Google account associated with your particular YouTube account. Now the easy way to do so is simply open up YouTube, head into your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then under profile you can see switch account option, you can tap on it. Under this list of accounts at the very bottom you'll be able to see the option that says manage accounts, right? Simply tap on manage accounts there. And now here what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and select the particular Google account that is associated with your YouTube account that you wish to remove, and then simply tap on remove account, and that Google account will get removed and will get removed from your YouTube as well. So this way you can remove a YouTube account from your device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.